Today let us look at error handling in Express. Let me start with writing a simple route, that is to the home page. I'll just display a message called homepage. Let's run the server and navigate to our local host and to our root directory, and it displays. What if I go to a route which I haven't defined? In such case, it looks through our custom routes. If it's not found, it goes to our public directory and searches for the file. If it doesn't find that file even there, a third middleware will be used if we write it, and we are writing that right now. First parameter for send would be a status code, and I'll set it to 404, and then a message called not found with a sad symbol there. Now go ahead, refresh this page, and it will show the third middleware, that is message, that is not found. So this is how we could simulate this. Now let me even define /user : username. I'll simply display the username the user requested using the request objects, params, and the username. Now it just displays whatever name the user requests. What if a username called Kiran is not present in the database? I'll not go into details of database here. I'll just copy and paste and see to that if the username the user requested is Kiran, I'll simply call an I'll create an error object and set a message that the user is not found. In real-time application, you search for the database, you search for the username inside the database. If the user isn't found, set this error object and call next and pass on this object. Now once you go ahead and look for user /Kiran, it will go through our custom routes. If not found, searches in the public directory. If not found, it will go and find the middleware which matches the signature. Now error object must be the first parameter, next the request response, and the next is actually not needed here, but no harm in taking. So just send the message we have set, that is user not found, to the output screen. You could even set the 404 status code and call the next, or leave it. In our case, we'll just call it because we have already taken it as a parameter, one of the parameter. So let's have a look at it in the browser. It says exit next is not defined. Well, in our route we haven't taken next and we have called it, so take the next. Now refresh. User not found. The custom error handling is working here. So this is how you could use error handling in Express. Well, you could write some complex error handling here, but this is the one which is the simplest. You could go on and build complex error handling with that. You could just get this and use app.params and shift that logic inside that block of code and keep your routes clean. Please share this video with your friends on Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn, Twitter, StumbleUpon, etc. Stay subscribed to technotip.com and don't forget to like this video on YouTube.